This is the third video in a series where we're going to build these cabinets. In this particular video, we're going to focus on the cornered pieces right here, the radius corner, and they have a pattern. We call it a brick molding pattern or a brick pattern. Now, this is a design that I actually created years ago, and I wrote the G code by hand, which is a major pain in the butt. So what we decided to do is just create a toolpath in Conversational CAM or Conversational CAM Pro, and once you're in here, you simply say, okay, I want to add the brick pattern right here, and you close it, and it lists over here. We're going to turn it around, do the brick pattern, and then do a tool profile to mark the ends. So let's go into the brick pattern. You can see how simple it is. You choose a cutter, the section diameter, and starting position, ending positions, and so on. And we go ahead and just finish and save, and that will create the code. So once we generate the G code, we're ready to save this out, step out onto the machine, and start cutting. So let's do that now. We started by assembling 4 blanks using double-sided tape. Once the parts are assembled, this little trick you see here will make drilling a hole exactly in the center of the 4 parts a breeze. We used a double-sided tape to hold the pieces together. We later decided that this much tape was really overkill, so next time we'll use a lot less tape. We also wrapped the 4 parts with tape to ensure that they wouldn't push apart when attaching the blanks to the ends of the assembly. We machined these blanks on the CNC, ensuring that the size and the hole pattern was perfect. A round hub attached to the end of the assembly makes it easy to insert it into the self-centering 4-jaw chuck, knowing that it'll be perfectly centered. We then switched to a 1/2-inch diameter down-cut end mill to machine the brick pattern. Machining the 4 corner pieces took a little less than 30 minutes. A little less double-sided tape would have made the process of separating the 4 parts much easier. And there you have it, 4 corner pieces that have the brick molding pattern. They're perfect and ready to go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Now these types of videos generate a lot of different questions. From can the machine do what I need it to do and can it solve the problems that I need resolved? To is this something that I can truly handle learning when it comes to software, or how fast can I incorporate this into my business? And many, many more. I recommend you take advantage of 2 resources to answer your questions. First is head on over to our website at legacywoodworking.com. There you'll find all the different product information, additional cutting demonstrations, and much more. The second resource I recommend doing is actually getting in contact with one of our CNC experts. You can call them at 801-491-0010. They will be happy to answer any of your questions, put on software or cutting demonstrations with the machines, and point you to additional resources, again, to fulfill your needs. Now, if you'd like to just simply watch more videos, I don't blame you. Just click right over there. I think we all know what to do. If you want to be notified of future videos, just click that button down below, and don't hesitate to give us a like if you liked what you saw. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems and allows you to say yes to more opportunities than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.